What's going on, everybody? Happy November! Boop boop!
Welcome to the Daily Struggle.
Yeah.
What she said, she broke my line.
she wanted to do it for once.
We're gonna blow up these pumpkins again.
Whoa.
Okay, we saved 2 pumpkins from Halloween so that we could kick off our November giveaway.
Yeah.
So,
We're gonna do that with a bang.
with a bang. A big old bang, hopefully.
Yeah. Any explosions you see in this video are performed by a professional, which is me.
By professionals.
Do not try this at home.
Yeah, we're not gonna show you what we made the explosions out of. You will just see the explosions because we are professionals. Kinda.
Kinda.
That's what she said.
Yeah, that is exactly what she said.
All right, so let's get this thing started.
I just wanted to stop in to let you guys know that we're still not done with these pumpkins. I know we haven't got that one big explosion yet, but we're still working on it, and I promise you, we're not going to stop till we obliterate one of those pumpkins. All right, bye.
Okay, well, that's going to be the end of the video.
Yep. Was that awesome or what?
Yeah!
Yeah!
Was that awesome or what? Huh?
Don't forget, subscribe. We got the giveaway going on. We're going to be we're going to be picking the winner on Thanksgiving Day.
Yeah, so make sure you subscribe, make sure you leave a comment, and if you share it, you get twice. You get twice the entries. So make sure you do all that stuff.
Post the comments. What are you thankful for?
Yeah,
that's right. For
Just
sure.
Post the comments.
Yeah, get to the comments.
Come on, it will
Please leave a comment for Landon. On every video, he says leave a comment. So he would just love it if someone would leave a comment. We'd really appreciate it for little Landon here.
Yeah, exactly.
Get off your feet.
So we definitely hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.